Hello everyone, and welcome to my crochet coaster tutorial. Today we're making a beautiful handmade coaster, perfect for protecting your tables in style or gifting to someone special. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, you've got this. I'm so excited to guide you through every step. If you enjoy this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more fun projects. Let's grab our yarn and hook and get started. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring. Make a magic ring, and into that ring, work 20 double crochets, that's 20 DC. Once you're done, pull the tail to close the ring and slip stitch to join. You're doing amazing already. Tip: keep your tension even when pulling the ring closed to get that perfect circle shape. Next, for round 2, we're going to build some structure. Start with 2 double crochets, then chain 2. That's 2 DC, 2 sage. Repeat this pattern 10 times around. 2 DC, 2 sage. Join with a slip stitch. Look at that, it's starting to take shape. You've got this. Tip: count your stitches carefully to make sure you have 10 sets. It's easy to lose track. Moving on to round 3. This is where it gets fun. In each chain 2 space from the previous round, work 2 double crochets, chain 3, then 2 more double crochets, that's 2 DC, 3 CH, 2 DC. Repeat this 10 times around and slip stitch to join. You're doing fantastic, it's looking so pretty already. Tip, keep your chain 3 loose so the coaster stays flat and doesn't curl up. For round 4, we're finishing strong. Start with a single crochet in any stitch. Then, in each chain 3 space from the last round, work 7 double crochets, followed by a slip stitch, that's 7 DC, SL Saint repeat, this 10 times around. Finish with a slip stitch to join. Amazing job, you've just made a gorgeous coaster. Tip, use a smaller hook for the single crochets if you want a tighter edge. And there you have it, your very own crochet coaster. Isn't it stunning? I'm so proud of you for following along. These coasters are great for adding a personal touch to your home or gifting to friends. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crochet goodness. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to make next. Happy crocheting!